the silly shark who lost his smile. Start with a cheerful introduction of Sammy the Shark, a friendly and funny shark who is always smiling and making everyone laugh in the ocean. Sammy's huge toothy grin is famous around Coral Reef Town. The ocean is calm, colorful, and full of happy sea creatures. One morning, Sammy wakes up feeling a little different. He tries to smile, but it's not working. Sammy's smile has vanished. He swims around the coral reef trying to force it back, but it's no use. No matter what he does, he can't seem to smile. Sammy starts to feel sad and wonders if his friends will still like him without his famous grin. Determined to find his smile, Sammy asks his friends for help. First, he asks Dolly the dolphin, who is always jumping and splashing around. Dolly makes funny faces and silly noises to cheer Sammy up, but Sammy still can't smile. Next, Sammy asks Tina the turtle, who is slow and wise. Tina suggests Sammy try some deep breathing to relax. Sammy gives it a try but still can't find his smile. Then, Sammy goes to Octavius the octopus, who has 8 tentacles and is very good at making silly movements. Octavius makes Sammy laugh by doing a hilarious dance with his tentacles, but Sammy's smile stays missing. Sammy tries to make his own funny face by pretending to be a crab, puffing out his cheeks and squinting his eyes. All the fish in the area start giggling, and they even take photos of Sammy's funny pose. But no smile, just a lot of laughs. After all the funny attempts, Sammy realizes something important: he didn't need to force his smile to be happy. His friends were all around him, laughing and enjoying each other's company. Sammy's real smile comes back naturally when he's with his friends, having fun and being himself. In the end, Sammy finally smiles, the biggest and brightest grin the ocean has ever seen. The whole ocean is filled with laughter, and Sammy's toothy grin is back, bigger than ever. Sammy and his friends learn that smiles come from happiness, not from trying too hard. And sometimes, the best smile is the one that happens when you're having fun with friends. Sammy's sea adventure with the ticklish whale. After Sammy the Shark finds his smile, he's feeling much better and more confident. One day, as he swims through the bright blue ocean, he spots a giant shadow coming towards him. It's Wally the whale, one of Sammy's biggest and funniest friends. Wally has a big, bouncy belly and loves to laugh, but today he looks a little worried. Wally explains that he's got a problem: he's super ticklish, and every time he tries to swim near his friends, he accidentally bursts out laughing and causes a huge splash. Wally is embarrassed because he doesn't want to make a mess and scare everyone away. Sammy, eager to help his friend, comes up with an idea. He invites Wally to play a game called Tickle the Tail. Sammy takes the lead, pretending to tickle Wally's tail, and to their surprise, Wally starts laughing uncontrollably, so much that bubbles fill the water. The more they play, the more fun it becomes. Sammy and Wally end up having a laugh-filled adventure where the whole ocean joins in on the fun. In the end, Sammy and Wally learn that it's okay to be ticklish and laugh. Wally's loud laugh creates the biggest waves, but everyone enjoys it. The sea creatures all have fun together, and Sammy realizes that sometimes, laughter is the best part of any adventure.